Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down a video within Canva. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For the first step, left click on your video, go to Edit in the top toolbar. Under Playback, move the video speed fader to the left to slow down your video. The slowest setting is 25%. If you want to make it even slower for a real slow motion effect, follow these steps. Click Share in the upper right corner of the video. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 video. Then click Download. Once downloaded at 25% video speed, once the download is complete, go to Uploads on the left sidebar. Re-upload your slowed down video by simply dragging and dropping it into this area. Delete the original footage. After the re-upload is finished, drag and drop the new video into the video set. Right-click on the video, go to Edit again and reduce the speed further. And that's how you can easily turn your video into a real slow motion video within Canva. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.